Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and I'm so excited to tell you that I am on the Cheaply Chic design team for the next 4 months. I was so honored that she invited me to be on her team. I absolutely love her channel, and she makes beautiful junk journal kits that are made for someone who does not have a lot of supplies and would like to get started with junk journaling. Each of her kits includes the journal itself with the cover and pretty empty pages on the inside, and then it includes an ephemera pack that has all the goodies and extra pages and items that you can use to embellish your journal. And this is a traveler's notebook sized journal. I believe it is 8.5 by 4.25 approximately. And then she also included this really nice little letter. This is the Get Cozy collection, and this is the collection she's coming out for this month, for December. And this will take you through the winter season. So if you'd like to go ahead and check out her channel as well as her Etsy shop, I will have a link down below for that. I also will have links to the other crafty ladies who are on her design team, so you can check out their channels and the things that they are working on for this kit this month. So absolutely beautiful. If you didn't see her last kit, it was, I think, called Be Merry, and it was a Christmas kit. It's really, really pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and open the journal, and it's upside down. Let me turn it over. Everything she has beautifully packaged, and this is just, I saw her on her release video for this and I love it. So here's the cover. She used this really pretty snowflake scrapbook paper, and then she did a bunch of sewing with vintage fabrics. She said this is a vintage linen, and then another vintage fabric down below here that has some blue in it and cream. This is some fur fabric up here and a piece of doily that is supposed to mimic a snowflake, and I think it looks really cute. And then there's this fun tassel trim down below, and she has this little printed out piece here that says Get Cozy, the name of the collection, and then it's tied up with this really pretty seam binding, and that's removable. And then the inside is full of fun dyed and stained papers, vintage book pages. This was from the Chronicles of Narnia book. There's the doily. Here is heart stained paper. I believe she said this was sprayed with like ink spray, and coffee stained. There's a baggie in there. Here is some stationery paper that has a snow winter scene there, and there's lined paper, kids lined paper there. So that's the basic book, and then it comes with this ephemera kit. I'm loving everything I see in here so far. There's another scrapbook page. Let me open it up here. So here is a little charm dangle that you can put as a bookmarker throughout your book. I'm not going to open it. It's just, it has some twine and then some beading on there. Really pretty. Here is a little eyelash trim and yarns in there with colors that go with it. And then there's a gold paper clip, and then in here are a couple more paper clips. And of course, all these pieces you can use, even down to this little tiny glassine bag. We'll be using in the journal. That's really cute. And then here is another glassine bag. There is a really cute duck vintage card, two geese, I guess. They're walking in the snow. That's really cute. And then there is a claim check ticket, a couple dyed tickets, some tiny little tags. Looks like she stained this glassine bag, so that'll be fun to use. There's some little punched images, die cut images. There's a couple vintage stamps, a bunch of little die cut pieces, a couple light bulb safety pins, and let's see, there are some snowflake stickers, another little sales tag, and that's it. Oh, no, there's something else in there. Oh, more die cuts and more stickers, a snowflake. That's all the fun stuff in there. And then, let's see, here's a little baggie that has some rhinestones and some snowflake little gem things. Really pretty. Here is some fun trim. It's like a, not pipe cleaner, but kind of like this garland that you put on a Christmas tree, that kind of stuff. And then here is a fun little package. It has a bingo card and a doily, and then this fun glassine bag, the chevron pattern. There's some tickets and some tags here. Stamped. This is really adorable. Another tag. Here are some inventory tags and carbon copy inventory bag or tag, and then a dyed little note card there. Here is a giant tag made from this scrapbook paper, and then a couple little manila tags. Here is a playing card, a little envelope, a vintage library card, like the Dewey Decimal System card, another vintage envelope, or not a vintage envelope, a glassine envelope, a library card, and then the library card pocket. So a lot of fun things there to work with. And let's see, move that over there. Here's some paper, this really fun penguin paper and the snowflake pattern. And then here is some vintage wallpaper. And here are the book pages. It's a multiplication page and a dictionary page, and then 2 Chronicles of Narnia, from The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe, and The Magician's Nephew. 2 of those pages, and then an Edith Holden book page from January. And then this is a sheet of stickers. They're FedEx labels. It'd be fun to make some different die cuts or whatever into stickers, a little sticker sheet. And then here is a page from an Ideals catalog from wintertime. So that will be fun, super fun. So I'm excited to get started on this for this month. And I will be back with another video with you showing you how I put together some of the pages and possibly make some alter tags and things like that. So go ahead and come back. If you want to see that, go over to Cheaply Chic and visit Lynette's channel there to see what she comes up with, as well as check out all the other ladies who are on her design team. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticalities. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and we'll talk to you later. Bye. God bless.